Hello and welcome back to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura ENA Micro 9 espresso machine, and we did a tune-up on this machine and replaced the top lid, and so let's go ahead and test the functionality. We use water to test the milk frother, just because I don't want to get it all dirty. As you can see, there's an suction of the water from the pitcher. This is our food, that's not the customer's food. Says pause. Now it's going to make the espresso. So you have a nice shot of espresso with good crema. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.